Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I have this Marzocco GS3 here. It was having some trouble with the water getting to the group head, and so I replaced the flow meter. And then I also gave the machine a tune-up. This is just the standard preventative maintenance. So I replaced the expansion valve, vacuum release valve, let's see, the safety valve. Let's see here. So we have all those. You can see them here, and here. And then here's that old flow meter. In addition to that, I descaled the boiler, and I serviced the water level probe just by soaking it into some descaler and scrubbing it. And I adjusted the expansion valve after all of that. And I did not change the screen or gasket here in the group head because the customer requested to just leave it that way and they'll do it themselves. I also did not back flush the group head or clean the steam wand, but everything internal was done to the machine. So I'm just going to pull a shot, show you that the machine is working. This is our test coffee, so it's not perfectly calibrated to the machine. Looks like this one's coming out pretty slowly, but it's okay. It's just to show you that the machine does work. So there you can see still some nice crema, and I'll show you the hot water. And you can see there's no problem with the water flow coming from the group head. Okay, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.